What's up guys, I'm Sean here at Fremont Alignment in Fremont, California. Here to see my friend Mike. Mike does the track alignment on my E46 M3 track car with custom suspension, coilovers, camber plates, etc. So I'm here today to get my 2019 Honda Pilot aligned. I installed a 2-inch lift. If you haven't seen that DIY video yet, check it out. So let's see how close I can get the alignment of Spec. Just finished the alignment on my 2019 Honda Pilot with the 2-inch lift. The toe was out of spec, so Mike addressed it. There's no camber adjustment on the front or back of the Honda Pilot, at least on the 2019 Honda Pilot. But for now, it's still within spec, so that's good. With the 2-inch lift kit from Trucks, there's no error lights or anything like that. No issues with the Honda sensing or whatsoever. And the car still drives the same on the street with the spacer lift. You know, you're not changing the strut or the spring or anything like that. So the car feels the same. The only difference is that I feel like I'm a few inches higher, which is nice. But the car drives smooth and quiet, just like factory. There's no unusual sounds coming from the car. No creaks, no rattles, no nothing. You may hear some rattling. That's just my baby car seat in the back. But as far as the car drives, there's no weird or odd sounds coming from the car. If you hear some road noise, that's because I have the upgraded General ATX tires, which are all-terrain tires. So it gives us a slight more hum, but it's not bad considering it's all-terrain tires. And it might sound a little bit louder too because the roads are wet. So I'm entering the freeway right now. All the bumps feel like OEM, not harsh or anything like that. The car still tracks straight. So yeah, for $250 for a 2-inch lift, definitely not a bad deal. And the alignment is still within specs, which is nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.